Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the RSI ARA indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the RSI indicator, R. It displays the RSI for us, and this blue line is the same RSI, R. It is the RSI with the period that we specify in the input, and the green line is the moving average line that is applied to the RSI, R. It is applied. Its type is exponential, and when there is a crossover between the RSI, RSI, and this moving average line, which is considered its signal line, a buy or
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
sell signal is generated for us. When a downward crossover occurs, like in this area, it gives us a sell signal. And when an upward crossover happens, like here, it gives us a buy signal. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period of the RSI indicator, RSI, which we can specify here. The next option is the period of the green moving average, which we can also set. The next option is the price type on which the calculations are performed. And the last option, labeled as offset, is the value at which these buy and sell signals are placed, which is set to 50 by default. At the value of 50, we will have these signals. Now, we can enter this value wherever we feel more comfortable, according to our preference, and have those signals appear in that area. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.